My mom and I lost 260 pounds with no loose skin, and we're going to tell you exactly how we did it and the 5 habits that got us and get us fit, healthy, and lean every single day. We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
We don't use surgery. We don't use pills or any kind of fancy equipment.
No peptides, no injections, no surgeries, no Botox, no filler, no butt implants.
These 5 habits we're going to share with you in this video changed everything for us, and we know that they can change everything for you too. So we hope that you implement them and stay to the end of the video.
It's not about eating less, it's about creating non-negotiables. What do I mean by that? You need to stop sabotaging yourself and telling yourself, I'm going to do it tomorrow, and then wake up way later than you were supposed to. The only reason you're doing that is because you're actually choosing to do that. So choose to do different things and you will get different outcomes. Mom always says, if nothing changes, nothing changes. What I mean by this is every single day I wake up and the first thing I do is work out. I don't scroll. I don't do anything except for workout. I get out of bed, put my workout clothes on, and I get in that gym because no one's going to do it for me. And if I do it for me, I will be feeling way better afterwards. And it's ahead of my day.
You want to create synchronicity between your body and your brain. Oftentimes they are in opposition because you know you should be doing one thing and you're not actually doing it. And you're not really building confidence and trust with your own self. And that's kind of a strange thing to say, your own self. But it's true. You know what you need to be doing. And the question is, why aren't you doing it? We want to share these things with you because we know that they're the things that stop cravings, they stop burnout, and they stop hormonal dysregulation. One of the things that is absolutely non-negotiable for us is planning and preparation. And you don't roll your eyes. I know what you might be thinking, but I'm serious. And it's not just about making sure you've got like a Snickers bar and some walnuts coated with candy. That's a Kind bar. Listen, I think Kind bar was a huge step up from candy bars, but they're not that much better when you look at the nutritional breakdown. We really do strategically plan our meals. That means we always have, great high quality protein, plenty of colors and flavor and vegetables. We strategically plan meals out that are going to be hormone regulating, appetite satiating, delicious flavor. I mean, like beyond what you can imagine. People who eat our food, Penelope, what do they say?
Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is healthy. It's true, that's what they say. And another thing that really has helped me on my journey, and I do this every day, it's been a game changer for my stomach, for my mind, for my brain. I even function better. Dun, 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 it's a walking treadmill. Now you're probably rolling your eyes like, Penelope, that seems so simple. What if I fell over? You're going to be fine. Really, the excuses you're causing yourself and giving yourself are totally a you problem, not a treadmill problem. So if you want to get fit, lean, and do it like in an effortless kind of lazy girl way, like you can be on the phone while you're watching TV, and be on the treadmill. You can watch TV while you're on the treadmill. You can literally do anything on the treadmill except for like write on paper. That's very challenging. But anything else you can do. And I don't want the excuses. I just want you to do it because you are going to look better and feel better and results of it. And that's why you're watching this video, because you want to look better and feel better. So go get on your treadmill, pause this video, and then watch it when you're on your treadmill or while you're walking around your house.
I was just going to say, like, you can just
walk around your house, walking up and down your
walk
steps.
down your street.
There's just no excuse to be fat in 2025, and I stand by that.
Mealtime matters. And I'm not suggesting that you eat when you're not hungry because I think that's kind of a crime, but it's really important to keep your glucose levels stable. And you do that by eating around the same time every day. And it's something that Penelope and I practice. And it's a way we keep the weight off, the way we've lost the weight. But this is more than just losing weight. This is about keeping your hormones stable. It's about keeping your insulin stable. It's about fat burning. It's about rebooting your metabolism because chances are if you're obese, you've tried a bunch of diets in the past. And come to find out, diets really don't work. And you probably know that. And they can harm you, especially when you're in an extreme calorie deficit. You can slow your thyroid down, you can influence your overall endocrine hormone health, and you can really cause problems with your stress response, your cortisol, which is your fat storage and your stress hormone. So we really want to help your body to rehabilitate itself, and that's by not skipping meals. Sometimes our meals are like 2 main meals and then 1 smaller meal, but we really also, as women especially, need to pay attention to, like, right before our cycle, we might be a little bit hungrier than we are at a different time during the month. So we have to really be aware of our sleep quality, wake time, and flow of the day. One thing, well, There are so many details inside of the circadian rhythm psychology and methodology that we use in the Step It Up program that we will deliver to you more and more in the program. I won't bore you and take up all your time because, as Penelope knows, I could talk about this for like 2 hours. The last and final point is doing a 2-minute reset for your nervous system before meals. This is something that absolutely helps you to not emotionally eat. It also helps you to understand when your satiation cues have been met, which means when you're full, you stop eating, which is a revolutionary concept because right now we're usually rushing around. And when you do this 2-minute nervous system reset, and this could be a prayer, this could be a song, we have a lot of techniques that we teach you in our program, it changes everything. You're finally going to be in a position to absorb the nutrients that you're eating.
If you're a woman and you're ready to start implementing habits every day to help you become a better version of you, a slimmer version of you, a version of you that you recognize in the mirror again, then you should join our Women's Accountability Group. But we only accept ready and amazing women. So if you're one of those, definitely join our Women's Accountability Group in the description down below.
If you'd like to donate, click the link in the description. We have a Venmo down there for you to donate so you can support these videos.
If you would like to donate to help support our mission and helping as many women as we can reverse obesity naturally, then definitely donate to the link in the description.
Don't forget to join us on all of our social media platforms, including Instagram and Twitter. But we also have a Spotify. You might enjoy some of the content over there as well. We'll see you all the time. Hey, we noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed, which means you're watching our videos, you like the content, but you haven't made the commitment. So we would love it if you would subscribe.
And if you want to join our Women's Accountability Group, don't forget to click the link in the description to join. We're only accepting amazing, awesome, and ready women. So please join if you're one of those. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all the time.